Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need the right app and a signed-in account. Once ready, open OneNote and go straight to Settings or Preferences. Make sure your notes are synced so changes apply safely across devices. If you use OneNote for Windows 10 versus OneNote Office, the menu labels differ. Search for Settings or click the gear icon. Once you find Appearance or Personalization, you're ready to choose Theme options. Do not skip syncing because theme state may propagate to other devices. You'll pick dark or black in the theme or color mode section. Select Use System Setting if you want theme to follow Windows or Mac OS automatically. Once done, check page background and ink colors. OneNote sometimes keeps a white page while the UI is dark, so change page color to dark gray or black and set ink to a contrasting light color. Make sure to test writing and images. This preserves readability and prevents eye strain during extended use. Finalize by restarting OneNote so theme settings fully apply. If not immediate, sign out and sign back in. Make sure your app is updated through Microsoft Store or Office Update because older builds sometimes ignore theme changes. If page backgrounds still stay bright, change page color explicitly and verify sync completed. One key troubleshooting tip: clear local cache or force a sync. Many theme issues stem from cache settings. If problems persist, reinstall the app to reset configuration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.